Hello members of Tambuwal Maths class, where are the pupils? I have a simple word problem question for you, though I extracted the question from WAEC 2026, but it is meant for the primary pupils. Two consecutive even numbers are such that 1/3 of the larger exceed 1/4 of the smaller by 7. What are the numbers? Okay, find the numbers. What does this mean? Let us understand it. We have two numbers, and all these two numbers are even and consecutive. When we say even, are numbers that are divisible by 2. Consecutive, they follow each other in order, right? For instance, after 2 we have 4. After 4 we have 6. After 6 we have 8. All of these are consecutive even numbers. So one thing I would like you to do, since you don't know the numbers, you should declare them with a variable. So if I declare the first one with x, the second one should be x plus 2 because they always have a difference of 2. Can you see that? Difference of 2, difference of 2. So you come back to the main question. 1/3, it means 1 divided by 3 of times the larger. This is the larger because we are moving from smaller to the larger. So 1/3 of the larger, which is x plus 2, we are looking for x, remember, then we plugged it back. X plus 2. 1/3 of the larger exceeds 1/4. 1/4 of the smaller is x. If it exceeds by 7, it means if you take away the smaller from the larger, the result will be 7. So minus equals 7. This is how to interpret words like this. So let's solve. Personally, I like clearing fractions in an equation. And how do we clear them? You take the LCM of the denominators 3 and 4, you multiply across. The LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. So let us multiply all of this 3 times 1, 2, 3 by 12. So we have 12 times 1/3 x plus 2 minus 12 times 1/4 times x equals 12 times 7, something like this. Can you see that 3 can divide 12 how many times? 4 times. Then you use that 4 to expand. 4 times x is 4x. 4 times 2 is 8. We are done with this one. Minus 4 into 12 is 3. 3 times x is 3x. Can you see that? Equals. This is going to be 84, right? This is 84. 4x minus 3x is simply x. Then you take this one there. You have 84, take away 8. This is 76, right? So x is equal to 76. But remember, these are the two numbers. If this is 76, then this must be 78 because they have a difference of 2. This is 76 because it is x. And x plus 2, 76 plus 2 is 78. Therefore, the two numbers we are looking for are 76 and 78. If you like, you can verify whether it satisfies this statement or not, because it stated that if you divide this by 3 and you divide the smaller one by 4, their difference must be 7. Yes.